Hey guys, Jody here at Legacy Dodge in Wetaskiwin. Today we want to bring you one of our new inventory, 2017 Ram 3500 Longhorn with the 6.7 turbo diesel. You can see on the front, we've got our sensors on the front park assist. Chrome trailer tow mirrors, and once again we have our passive entry. Touching the back side here will unlock your vehicle. Touching this button will lock your vehicle as long as the keys are on you. Cab link tube steps, rear sliding power window with defrost, spray in bedliner. We've got rear park assist sensors and trailer tow package. Here you can get a good shot of the interior. We've got the flat storage folded out so you can see how that works. And sub underneath. And we've got rear heated seat controls back here. Here's a look at the front interior with a power sunroof. Heated and cooled seats on both sides, as well as power seats. Okay guys, we're inside this 2017 3500 Longhorn. Just want to show you some of the features inside. Here on the steering wheel we've got our voice recognition and Bluetooth controls, as well as our cruise control, push button start, and we've got our four-wheel drive control, the 8.4-inch touchscreen. We'll just go through some of the features on that. You got your heated, vented, and heated steering wheel controls. Get a shot of the backup camera and navigation. And then down below we've got our main controls for our radio and heat controls, dual climate, trailer brake control, diesel exhaust brake, front and rear park assist sensors, and then some more controls for your heated and cooled seats and steering wheel. And just get a shot of the interior and the stitching. It comes with the Longhorn edition. Guys, this truck is a beautiful truck here at Legacy Dodge in Wetaskiwin, the Ram 3500 Longhorn edition. Give us a call at 1-800-642-3838, or you can text at 780-361-9584. Our website is legacydodge@wetaskiwin.ca.